Thank you for joining me for another episode of Festo's Garage. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2004 Honda Civic. And I have here my helper, Firepower. Pretty straightforward job to do. You're going to lift the hood. First thing we're going to do is we're going to check the oil so we can see if it was low, what it looked like from before. Here we have the oil dipstick. I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off one time. Now you want to do this job when the engine is still warm, but not when you first cut it off. So wait a few minutes for all the oil to go back down and then check it. And it's looks like it's right up here, which is a little bit high. But the oil, look at how clean that oil looks, like it's brand new, like it's fresh. So it hadn't been changed that long ago, but we're going to go ahead and do the job anyway. That's what the customer wants. What we're going to use for this job is some Mobil 1 synthetic 5W20, and we're also going to be installing a Napa Gold filter number 7356. We're up underneath the car. The cool thing about these Civics is there's no big plates or anything to remove. Drain plug's a 17mm. To get the oil filter off, I'm going to use this pair of slip joint pliers. Put oil on the gasket of the filter and put the new filter up there. And now we're going to put this drain plug back in now that the oil is done running out. And we're going to tighten it back up. And wipe off what we can of this oil. Put 4 quarts of oil in it. Alright, we got her full. We're going to remove the funnel, put the cap back in. I'm going to start the car up and make sure that the oil pressure comes up. Alright, we started up. The oil pressure light went out. That way we had oil pressure. So now we're going to take and wipe the dipstick off again. We're going to check the level to make sure it's right. Alright, you see it right there. So, it's good to go. Well, there you have it. That's how the oil change is done on this 04 Honda Civic. You can definitely do this job yourself. All you need is a 17mm wrench, some oil and an oil filter, and a jack to get up under your car. No big deal. Firepower, you got anything to say?
Simple. I'm a simple man. Thank you folks for tuning in. See you next time.
Peace out.